Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable task scheduler history on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable task scheduler history on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type task scheduler. Click on task scheduler. To enable task scheduler history, go to task scheduler library and look here. The history is disabled right now. Now right click on task scheduler library and here you will find an option enable all task history. Click on it and look, the task history is enabled and disabled is not showing here. This is the easiest way to enable task scheduler history on Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.